this is the magic mouse. This is the way how it looks. It's sleek and black in color. So let me check what all is there in this. So we also get a charging cable which is C-type to Lightning, and first time to see Apple has given a black color cord which is really looking nice and matching to my mouse, and the mouse is really good and it's light in weight. I really like it.